back to the channel, welcome back to the shop. We're heading out of the shop today. It's another spare parts day, and if you've been following along, you know already we got that thing ripping. The problem is, it doesn't stop. So that's what they're working on today, man. We're gonna hang out with Mark and James today where they try to get some brakes on our no budget or low budget spare parts race car.
It's me, your buddy Mark. Welcome back, guys. We're in the hill working on spare parts. It lives here now. It lives in a nice, warm, cozy shop, and I'm happy for that. You saw us get it running right, and I say us. A great big shout out to my homies B and Shane, especially B, with all the work he really put in on that car, man, throughout this whole process. Thank you, brother. Back to where we were. We are trying to get the brakes right. We ordered some parts. I know spare parts really ain't supposed to spend a lot of money on, but we had to. I had to get some new parts in. I got a brake booster delete kit. That was the same price as trying to buy new parts to fix it. We also have a little project going on with maybe a wing happening. We also got some other stuff to wrap up to really get the car track ready. We're close. Y'all saw in that video, we had a great time with it. We got to get this brake work done. So let's get in here, get in the shop, see who's all in here today. I just got here, check this stuff out and show you what we got. Hey, Mark. This is one of the parts we ordered from Alex Racing. Hope I said that right. We'll double check that. Anyway, brake booster delete kit. Let's open the box and see what's in it. Yes, it's already open.
I hadn't seen it.
That's paper in the kit. The brake lines with the T, all the nuts and bolts, the Wilwood single piston brake cylinder with the BWR clevis mount on the back, some instructions that we will not use, and stickers! Hey. Also, don't forget the mount plate. Boy John rode out with us. He had this awesome piece of ABS that he was using at his house. Now he's got a great idea for spare parts. This man's gonna work some magic, and we'll keep you up to date on that. But it looks like we might have a wing coming into play here, and that's gonna make me happy because then it looks really fast. First thing up, we need to remove this old stuff. Pretty simple, straightforward, other than getting under the car, which is gonna be super easy in here. There's no fuse panel and wire, all that stuff in the way to get to the pedal part. Start off, pretty simple stuff. Maybe break the two lines loose. One, and then the second one's back there. And then the two 12s under the throttle cable. And that stuff can be moved, and I'm getting ready to start moving some stuff out of the way. Oh, dude, do you see it? It looks. Should slide this booster right out.
Right out. Thought I was gonna have to snatch on it.
And there we go. Stock booster, stock slave cylinder out. Now all we need to do is probably just wipe and clean that area up. Would like to weigh everything, James, so we should better do that, right? There's a scale here at the shop, somewhere. In the office. We'll go in the office. We want to weigh this stuff. I know this stuff from the Wilwood setup is super light. We'll weigh the stock setup just to see the difference. Then we'll put this together to slide it in. There's no real instructions with the kit per se. Some instructions that we will not use. Not that they're really needed. It's pretty simple and self-explanatory. And let's go over here and check it out while James is cleaning stuff up real quick. So you have the plate, machined out spots for the bolts there. and on this side as well. The longer bolts are gonna run through the mounted on the inside. We're gonna go ahead and mount the slave cylinder, basically.
Trouble up there.
We're going to use some scales that we technically, it's out of our, see these lines on the floor, there's certain lines we're not supposed to be crossing.
We're allowed in here.
Yeah, we can't come in the break room. We all are allowed in. Oh, look. I loved Tell the Dragon, was so fun. Oh, there's donuts. All right, so shh.
Hello!
Shush, man, it's cold. These are our race scales. Oh! Oh, shit. Don't pull. Okay, we'll clean that up. All right, real quick, we gotta hurry. This is the stock stuff. This is stock everything in a bag, so the bag don't weigh nothing. 6.6. Now I'm gonna put, oh God, okay, don't panic. We're not gonna get the new stuff soaking wet. Damn, James.
That bag you gave me had a hole in it.
I didn't know. Dang, we'll get it cleaned up. Nobody will ever know but you two. Oh hell, the scale went off. Do we gotta take it?
We gotta take it out.
Shit.
Okay.
Here we go.
Bolts.
Part. Hurry. Woo!
Drop the 4
2
pounds.
pounds. We dropped 4 pounds.
4.6 pounds.
4 pounds of weight gone
4.5.
just by doing that. So awesome. Now we gotta hurry and get this cleaned up. Got that part done. Now the bolts, like I said, just slide in through the front all the way through. It's gonna be easier doing this with 2 people for sure. So we're gonna smack this thing up there. James is gonna go on the inside. We're gonna put this little thing in here. All we wanna try to do with
I got the nuts.
You got some nuts. Dude, that is tucked in there.
Oh, it was a 13, wasn't it?
13, you need one, don't you?
Yeah, I need it. And I'm probably gonna need something for this funky one too.
Installed. It is little in there. Now we got to get underneath there, get the clevis hooked up, and then tighten it. That's pretty simple. I can knock that out. This kit is for Integris and EGs. The brake proportioning valve on those is on the firewall. This is on the shock tower. The lines being set up for that is gonna be a little short, but what we're gonna do is attempt to get it to run over there. B had told us this little trick to where on K cars you have to unbolt that and push it and force it, I guess.
You kind of bend these lines a little bit and bend it back.
So maybe we can do that and get it to hook up steel and it works somehow without doing too much. What feels like. Got everything hooked up. Next step is to bleed the brakes. Man, I'm gonna tell you, if we had a little bit longer line, this would be a really clean install. We're gonna work on getting that, but for now, it's just kind of tied in like that. They run underneath the intake manifold to there for now. We're gonna get the brakes bled. I wish I could say that properly. Bleed the front now. John been hooking us up with a dope wing install, which we're gonna show you a little bit more of in a minute. But he also brought, he has some extra lug nuts. Nothing special, just something to clean up the look and some news besides these mismatched chrome ones we got up here. Brake split, car back on the ground. Feel like it's gonna stop. We're gonna check that here real soon. Car looks amazing. The wing is barely double-sided taped on, so we can't do nothing real crazy. We just wanna make sure the car is gonna stop like it's supposed to, that the brakes feel better than they did, and we'll call it a win today. I cannot thank John enough for this wing design he is working on. It looks incredible up there, like it was made for it. His idea is excellent. John, thank you so much, man, as always, man. John jumping in, helping out with Spare Parts Ton, donating time and stuff that he's got. James, as always, we're here in the shop. I'm just pumped right now. The car's coming together and it's excellent. It is just excellent.
Let's go for a test run. See how these brakes do. You ready, Mark? Let's go. Let's do it.
Been working on the brakes on this car since we drove it out and realized it really didn't have any. Started looking at some of these lines, testing where fluid was flowing. It was not flowing everywhere. What we ended up doing was blowing air, taking lines off check. We ended up having extra line because of replacing the master cylinder lines. We just bent one to work for now to try to get these brakes working and know that we've got it licked. Then we can come back and clean all this up and make it perfect. We have been bleeding brakes non-stop. You guys see that this brake caliper has it here. We're about to pop these tires back on here and test one more time. How many times you think they've watched us put wheels on a car? More times than they want. Hope for the best. I do like this kit a lot. It looks really clean in here. Lost weight, clean. That cap goes there, Mark. So what we're gonna do here is try these brakes out. It feels tight in here. It feels like it's got some brake to it. Here we go. Probably could use another really good bleed. Get some more air out of it. It's definitely got some more air in the system. You can feel it in the pedal, but that is definitely a step in the right direction. We definitely have more brake. Another thing that would do well to probably help the brakes out is just a good caliper cleaning. I feel like they're moving, but they also feel sticky as well. Even one of them hangs up. Positive on the brakes. John is not with us right now. He left already today. He's been working on the wing. He actually took the wing with him because we need to trim it. It's a little long. It hung out to here. So yeah, about right there. So we're gonna trim it back a little bit, pull it back, flatten it, and he's gonna get all the holes ready to mount and all that. One of the other things we were able to do today, get the battery box mounted. Battery's in here, mounted good and tight. We also went ahead and got a fire extinguisher mounted in it, just in case it catches on fire. We're prepared. Let's get these brakes nice and bled, get this wing on, seat belts bolted in, that's the only thing left really, and then windshield track day. Other than that, guys, we thank y'all for coming out. James, appreciate the shop as always. And yeah.
With that brake booster delete kit, it looks like they have got spare parts stopping better than ever. And shout out to John, man. Good looking out on that wing. It is looking amazing. Can't wait to see the finished product there. Hey, thanks to you guys for hanging out with us on another one, hanging out with my people up on the hill. We'll see you on the next one. But until we do,
Stay mad.
Boom.
my allergies.
Hey.
Damn, I need to throw that away.
Oh shit. Here we go.
Let's go hang out with, we're gonna hang out with Mark and James today while they try to get some brakes. We're gonna hang out with Mark and James today while they try to work on some brakes. We're gonna...
Yeah, it is.
Talk about it, be about it.
Holy shit. Let's hope we cut the right lines. I jokingly say that, but I don't. Ooh, James, I don't think that's gonna fit. It's me, Mark. Sitting in this raggedy race car. Here we go. Here we go. That was my nuts.